Good morning, students. Welcome to MCGM Online Education. Myself, Lata Kamre. Today, I am going to take an English lesson. We are going to study one poem. We are opposite. The name of the poem is We Are Opposite. Students, last year we were studying in the school. Every day we went to the school, learn there, then come to home, having our homework and other work. But this this year we are not going to school. Why? Can you tell me why we are not going to school nowadays?
Lockdown.
Because of because here we have very harmful disease named corona. But last year situation was very different. Last year corona was not there. Entering our life, we don't have any restriction of going. But this year, we have the restriction. Okay, we have to wear mask, then carry sanitizer. We have to carry safety rules like that. But last year, nothing was there. Yes, every day we went to the school having our study. Again, we went to market freely, any other place. But this year, we have to think where we have to go or not because of the corona. Means last year situation and this year situation is totally different. Is totally different. What we have done in the last year, that is totally stopped or restricted by our government because of the corona. Means these two situations are opposite to each other. And like that, we are going to study our poem. We are opposite. What is opposite? Opposite means totally different from each other. They are not same. They don't have any feature same. They have different features means their color, their size, their texture. These things are different from each other. So they are opposite. Page number 42, unit 5 and poem number 1. We are opposite. Okay. First, I am going to read the poem. Then I will explain you the poem stanza by stanza. Listen carefully. We are opposite, and I tell you more. I say after, and you say before. I come in, and you go out. We are opposites. Let's give a shout. I look up, and you look down. I like to walk, you run to town. I am small, as smaller can be. You are big, much bigger than me. I say stop, and you say go. We are opposite, I told you so. We are opposite, it's like I said before. Think on your own if you want any more. I think it's hot and you think it's cold. I say it's new, you say it's old. This is our poem. Now we are going to study it stanza by stanza. So wait for a minute. We are opposite. Unit 5. started. See, first fungi. We are opposites, and I will tell you more. I say after and you say before. Okay? We are opposites. We are totally different from each other. What we can see, there is a one boy and one girl in the picture. And they are talking with each other, saying that we are opposites. We are totally different from each other. See, girl having long hair, long dress, and different type of shoes. This is the girl, and boy having t-shirt and pant and short hair, like that. This is the boy, and they are totally different from each other. They are talking with each other. We are opposites. I say after and you say before. Here, after and before, these are the opposite words. After means after some time. Next. And before means whatever happening now, just before that situation. After and before. After is opposite word of before, or before is opposite word of after. Next. I come in and you go out. We are opposite. Let's give a shout. Okay? I will come in and you will go out. Okay? Like that, we are opposite. And we are going to tell that the loud voice. Here is enter in any place. And out means go away from any place. In, out are opposite words. In, opposite, out. I, you look down, up, up, up. Okay? And you look down, down, niche. I look up and you look down. I like to walk and you look down. Run. These are also opposite words. Up and down. These two are opposite words. Means girl like to walk and boy like to run. That are opposite words. Walk and run. Up and down. Next. I am small, as smaller can be. You are big, much bigger than me. See here, girl is a small while boy is a big. Girl is a small and boy is a big. Small and big are the opposite words. Small and big are the opposite words. Similarly, smaller and bigger are also the opposite words. Small, very small. Very small. We can say you are a small children. Yes, but your teachers are grown up. They are big. Okay, small and big. We can take example of elephant and ant. An elephant is a very big animal, while an ant is a small, very small, tiny it is. Next, I say stop and you say go. We are opposite. I told you so. How we are opposite from each other? That they are discussing. I say stop. Stop at one place. Okay, don't move. Stop at one. I say stop. But you say go. Means you want to go from there. You want to go from here. In this way, we are opposites. And I have told that you before. I have told that you before that we are opposites. Why? Again, when I say stop, you say go. That's why we are opposite. Here, stop and go. These words are also opposite to each other. We are opposites. It's like I said before. Think on your own if you want any more. Okay? I have said it before that we are opposites. And if you want any explanation, more explanation from that, then you have to think how we are opposite with each other. Now they thought and what they had given, see. I think it's hot and you think it's cold. I think it's hot and you think it's cold. Hot and cold. Hot we can, when we touch any utensils and what we say cooker. Okay, cooker, we put something in the cooker and it's having whistle and that time it's very hot. Okay, and water bottle we kept in the fridge and when we take it out, it's very cold. Okay, hot and cold. These are also the opposite words. I say and you say cold. I, you say it's okay. New and cold. Again, how many opposite words are there? Okay. New opposite old, hot opposite cold. Okay. New opposite old, hot opposite cold. Now we can see one rhyming pair also here. Old, old. The words which we pronounce having the same ending are the rhyming words. Old, 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 old. These are the rhyming words. But hot and cold are the opposite words. Now, see next. Before, after. See the picture. The boy is sometime before he is about to cross the line. Sometime before he is about to cross the line. And within few seconds, he had crossed the line. After he crossed the line, before he is about to cross, he is near to crossing line. He is near to crossing line, that is before situation. And after he crossed the line, that is after situation. So before and after are the opposite words. Next, hot and cold. See, coffee is a hot while ice cream is a cold. Coffee is a hot and ice cream is a cold. We don't like to drink cold coffee. Means sometimes there are exceptions, but coffee is a hot here and ice cream is a cold. We know that. Like that, cooker is a hot and ice is a cold. Ice cube is the cold. Cooker is a hot and ice cube is the cold. Hot, cold are opposite words. Next, in, out. See, cockroach is in the can. Cockroach is in the can, but in the next picture, second picture, it is outside of the can. So in and out are the opposite words. In opposite to out. Next, up and down. See, ball is up to the ladder. Yes, and in the next picture, it is down. Up at the top, down to the bottom. Up at the top, down to the bottom. Up opposite to down. Next, big and small. Big elephant is big and butterfly is a small. Elephant is a big and butterfly is a small. Understood, student?
Yes, teacher.
Opposite to the small. Next, in this poem, we are having the rhyming words. Okay? We are having the rhyming words. And which are they? I have written here. See. More before. Say with me. More before.
More before.
Down, down.
Down, downtown.
Go, so.
Go to.
All, all.
Small ball.
All.
Small ball all.
Walk,
Walk, talk, jog.
to. Dear, near.
Dear, near.
Down, down.
Brown, brown.
Out, shout.
Brown, brown.
Out, shout.
Out, brown.
Be, me.
Be, me.
Old, old, gold.
Gold, old, gold.
Why these are rhyming words? When we pronounce them, we feel that it is same. More, before, down, town, go, so, small, ball, all, walk, talk, chalk, dear, near, brown, frown, out, shout, be, me, cold, old, gold. Okay, these are the rhyming words in this poem. Okay. You have to repeat after me. Rhythm. See, we are opposite.
We
Say,
are opposite.
आवाज निकल रही है.
We are we are opposite.
And I will tell you more.
And I tell you more. Tell me more. And I tell you more.
I say after.
I say after.
Before.
And you say before.
I come in.
I come in.
You out.
And you go out.
Are opposite. We are opposite.
We are opposite.
Let's give a shout.
Let's give a shout.
I look up.
I look up.
You look down.
You look down.
I like to walk.
I like to walk.
You run to town.
And you run to town. I am small.
Smaller can be.
Smaller can be.
Are a big,
I am big.
much bigger than me.
much bigger than me.
I say stop.
I say stop,
You say go.
and you say go.
Opposite.
We are opposite.
I told you so.
I told you so. We are opposite.
Like I said before. Like I said before.
I can't below them.
It lies
Nice
before
before
on your own.
you heard
Think on your own.
you hate.
If you want more.
You want word. My seat is no.
It's hot.
I think it's hard.
I say it's new.
I think it's cold.
Okay, student, I am asking you the word and you have to tell the opposite word of it. The first word is in. In opposite,
Opposite in, opposite out.
in opposite out. Very nice. Then up opposite.
Up, opposite down.
Very good. Small opposite. Small opposite.
More opposite. Small opposite big.
Small opposite big. Very nice. Hot opposite.
Opposite big. Opposite big. Cold. Big.
Hot opposite.
Hot opposite cold. Down.
Very good. Hot opposite cold. You student understood the opposite words very well. Now again we are having rhyming words in this poem. Yes, rhyming words in this poem. We have learnt about the rhyming words, that is down, frown, dear, near, walk, talk, chalk. Okay. Now I have one exercise for you. We are going to solve this exercise. Wait. Our question is, circle the word that does not rhyme. Circle the word that does not rhyme. Rhyming word, we have learned that they have same sound at the ending. When we pronounce that word, we have the same sound in the ending. These are the rhyming words. Now, in this question, there is a one word which does not rhyme with the rest of the words. So, you have to tell me which word is that. See, first, more, score, door, dare. More, score, door, dare. Which is not rhyming word? Dare. Very good. So, dare is a odd word in this first question. Dare. Because more, score and door having the same sound ending and same pronunciation. Next, B. Go, so, do, no. Which is odd word here? Do. Very nice. Here, do is a odd word. Go, so, no are same sounding, but do is a odd word. Next, see. Down, town, down, on.
On.
Own. Very good. Own. Odd word is a own. Next, fun, ran, gun, sun.
Gun.
Which is the odd word? Ran. In the word fun, ran, gun, sun, ran is a odd word. Next, gain, same, name, come. Which is odd word?
Come. Came.
Game, same, name, and come. Which is odd word?
Come.
Come. Come is a odd word. Okay. Next. Bush, brush, rush, crush.
Bush.
Bush. Very nice. Bush is a odd word. Very good. Very nice of you. See, we have circled the odd words. More, score, door, dare. Dare is a odd word. Go, so, do, no. Do is a odd word. Then down, town, brown, and own. Own is a odd word. Fun, ran, gun, sun. Ran is a odd word. Then gain, same, name, come. Come is a odd word. Bush, brush, rush, crush. In this, bush is a odd word. Okay? Okay, thank you, students.